How to lock your Twitter account. So first of all, you will need to go to your App Store or Google Play and make sure that you updated the app to the last version so you won't face any issue. Okay, so next step, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just open up my Twitter. Okay, next step, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just click on my avatar icon at the top left right here, and you're gonna see right here settings and support. Next step, if we open up our settings and support, you will see multiple options. I'm gonna just go ahead into settings and privacy. Alright, next step, what I'm gonna do now, you're gonna see multiple options. What you're gonna do now, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down into the privacy and safety. So I'm gonna just click on it right here. Next step, what I'm gonna see right here, you're gonna see your X activity and you're gonna see multiple options. Alright, so I'm gonna just focus on the first option, which is audience and tagging. Okay, and here you're gonna see right here the audience and tagging. In here you're gonna manage to protect your posts and videos, right? So if we toggle on your posts and videos, that means that we locked our account. Now if you want to know if your account is locked or not, you're gonna just head back right here after we toggle on the posts and videos, and we're gonna just click again your profile icon at the top left, and you're gonna see right here next to your name there is the lock account or private account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.